Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to format XML code in Visual Studio Code. So guys, basically if you want to, now this is the era of AI. So if you copy the code and put it into the ChatGPT and any other AI module, so it give also the formatted code. But still you want to do at your end. So guys, that we have the multiple extensions and inbuilt feature on the uh, VS Code. So first of all, to check that inbuilt feature is enabled or not, you just go to your file. Before creating the file, guys, make sure that you are written the proper extension of the file. If your extension is not right, so you're facing such type of issues that the formatting is not correct. Okay. So first you go and right click here and check the auto format is available or not. If it is not, then guys go for the extensions. In the extension section, guys, here you simply search format XML. Here you go for the mm, tools, XML formatting, X queries, and around 7.9 million downloads. So you go and install these extensions. Then trust the publisher and then install. When your installation is begin, so you just go and go for here, and here it's take few seconds. Here you take that shows installing. Now you choose your file. Okay, after choose your file, and here when you right click it, so guys, here you see the option of format document and format document with. So you choose any of them, and guys, you get the formatted document. For example, this is like, sorry, removed whole code. So I'm again copy it, go here, like for, like this is my code, and for example the my code is not right from here. So now I'm right click on it, like again I change. Okay, now when I click it formatted, so it formatted my code like here, you can check. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you.